What are you doing here, guys?
Motivating them. Keeping track of laps.
Okay, and how are they doing?
Really well, yeah.
Yeah?
How did you come together as a group?
We sat around the table the first day.
Was it random so, or was it just that you happened to be sitting together?
We all just work good together in previous things, and we know we get along better with and we work as well, and so we just all seem to get along really well.
Okay.
Did the students achieve what you expected them to achieve, do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I would have designed the project very specifically around the learning outcomes that I wanted them to achieve out of it and made it as practical as possible. And sort of the very basic learning outcome would be that they would be able to collect, record accurate data such that they could calculate VO2 max. So not achieving that would be constitute not meeting the most basic learning outcomes, and there was only one occasion where we actually had to rerun the test on that account, and everybody else, all the other groups, got, as a minimum, they got their accurate data, so I was very pleased really in that sense.
I enjoy it and I'm actually doing the practically as opposed to just learning it from books, because you learn, you pick up on problems and stuff that can go wrong that you never
Sort of get to put the theory elements into practice. Sort of get used to using them, so you can use it in like daily life, something like when we're out of college, you can actually apply them to different aspects.
I like actually what you do and rather than just trying to say like learning from a book. I learn a lot more than
This way of learning is like it's interesting. It's a good way of doing stuff.
You leave it exactly as it is?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, very good.
Doing presentations and making us all a lot more confident in talking with groups, and that sort of thing. Whether we came in first, we couldn't do it all. Now it's no problem talking within the group.
How did you know they were on track as you were going through the particular module?
Well, what we did, I'm not sure if the students alluded to it, the first part of the assignment required them to actually stand up and present to myself, another tutor, and the entire class group their plans for the rollout. So everything from the protocol, they had to, as they explained, they had to research the test, they had to basically find a protocol, they had to find the corresponding calculation to calculate VO2 max.
Okay.
They had to find appropriate norms for that test, and also present to us the very practical stuff like, right, that particular test was 4 laps and 9 metres.
Okay.
How are you going to build in the 9 metres? And as you saw out on the track, they chose to go 9 metres back from the end point, and that's how they built it in. But those are the practical things, very difficult to learn from a protocol or learn from a book. It's only through the rollout that you'll get to grips with it's only through applying it that you'll get to grips with those kind of pernickety things.
How did you know before you actually did your fitness test that it was going to work, or that how well you were prepared for it?
feedback from like our lecture. Like the first part of our assignment was to go like and do research and put together what we wanted to do.
Okay.
And then we handed that in and we were marked on that. So we knew kind of like if we were going on the right road or not, and what changes we had to make to actually go with the test.
How do you think the students stay motivated during the whole process?
I tried to break the larger project down into smaller chunks so that there's a short-term goal all the time, which keeps them. The idea would be to keep their eye on the ground target, but also to motivate them in the short term.
Okay.
A bit of healthy competition, which is always easy to build into a fitness test, it helps to motivate them as well. I think like the participants really enjoy competing against one another for a fitness score.
Yes.
And also the fact that marks are awarded always motivates students.
Very good.
Do you feel motivated to do well as a team yourselves, or what pushed you on? Is it marking, trying to get the marks?
I think it was enjoyable itself, and it's easier to just learn about different things that you enjoy than it's good.
what you want on your t-shirt, print it out, what it looks like on the t-shirt.
Excellent.
Probably do something different.
Okay, and why? What did you think the main thing it would do for you as a team?
I think just to let people like see who their team leader is, you know, so they don't get mixed up with different people.
Very good. Okay, to give a professional feel to what you're doing. Okay. And do you think it worked?